Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Kidz Mechanix. Today we'll be showing you how to plug a flat tire. What you'll need is a jack, some plugs, they're sticky, some rubber cement, plug tools, thingies, and there's probably gonna be like a nail or a screw in there, so remember the pliers. But remember, safety first,
Okay, we really don't need to take the wheel off the car for this.
But since we don't have a lift, we're going to need to use this jack. And if you have an air compressor, that might come in handy. Well, remember to loosen the lug nuts before you take the wheel off the ground. Once they're loose and the wheel's off the ground, spin them off. Well, once the wheel's off the car, spin around the tire to find the hole or whatever caused the problem. Well, ours was kind of too close to the sidewalls, and we're not supposed to be plugging holes close to the sidewalls, but for now, we'll plug it until we can get to a store to buy a new tire. Well, you put a little rubber cement on the reamer, stick it in the hole, move it up and down, to get it ready for the plug. Well, I forgot to mention before that once you find what caused the problem, take a pair of pliers, such as these, and just pull it right out. But if it's really deep, take a pick or another sharp tool to dig it right out. Then you'll take one of these plugs, just stick it like halfway in there into the tool, put rubber cement on it, stick it in the hole until it's like halfway in there. Then you'll yank it out real fast and the plug will stay. The plug is in. Yay! Well, I didn't do it. My dad did because I'm not strong enough. But anyways, you get the idea. And it's in. So, whatever. But you're going to take the pliers, cut it right about here. It's pretty gooey and slimy, and it's going to be hard to get off, but it'll eventually come off. Well, once you cut off the excess from the plug, put the wheel back on the tire and tighten up the lug nuts. Yeah, can't speak today. And remember, do it in the star pattern. So, just as you make a star. Boop, 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 boop. Well, once the wheel's on the car, nice and tight, you put some air in it. Take this thingy to see if it's the right PSI. And yeah, pretty much it, I think. Yeah. Once you're all done with that stuff, you carefully let down the car. Failure, I think. Oh, there we go. Then you come along, take your hubcap, snap it back on. I'm not sure how to do this. Oh, hi. Once that's snapped in, you've just fixed a flat tire.